Hi everyone, is there someone in your life right now who's sending you mixed signals? Their behavior is hot and cold, and that is confusing you a lot as you're constantly trying to question whether they feel for you, whether they want a future with you or not. If this is something you're going through, then this reading is definitely for you. But before we move ahead, quickly double tap and type 666 in the comments to connect and claim this energy. And don't forget to follow me at the Tarot Whisperer. Now take a few seconds and think about this person, say their name out loud 3 times, and let's see what are the messages that are coming through. The first message coming through is the Hermit. This is the current energy between you and them right now. Things are not very smooth at all. There is no communication, there is no expressing, and this could also be a no contact situation that you are in. But does this person think about you? Yes, with the King of Swords coming here, this person definitely thinks about you. You are on their mind. They want to come, they want to communicate with you, they want to resolve all the issues, all the misunderstandings that were there between you and them. Do they want a future with you? Yes, they want a future with you. We have the 10 of Cups here as well. They do think about you. They want you in their future. They want to create a long-term future with you and them. That's the reason that they want to come and communicate and resolve all the problems as soon as possible. And I think that's something that you can see in the next 10 days. So I hope this resonates. Do let me know in the comments. Take care.